Hey guys, Rhys from Phaser. Just thought I'd give you an update on who's won the prizes. So we got Matt Rosen, he won the Zool Hex Quad. We got Duncan Wilson, he has won the Rooster Quad. And because we didn't ship on Sunday, we're giving away 2 today. So if you ordered Sunday and today, you're going in the running to win this one. And we've already picked them. So the winner is the Kraken, Andrew Barry. Congratulations. And the second quad is the 7-inch Crack, Dane James. You have won this one. So tag them if you know them. Let them know they've won. As well as that, we thought we'd add something in to the final prize, Emperor Trump. Everyone needs an Emperor Trump on their desk. So if you have ordered in this end of financial sale, you're going to the running to win this. But lucky last, we didn't tell you this before, but actually giving away a brand new quad. It's been tuned by our tech Shannon, so it's ready to go. It's a Mongoose with the new Kevlar True RC antenna. Looks like a bit of a Scorpion. But it's got GS35 ESCs. It's got the Fortini flight controller, TBS VTX. It's ready to go with the T-Motor F40 motors. So order from Phaser, end of financial year sale, and Trump could be yours. Oh, lunch has arrived. See ya.